Guys, all right.
Act like you're excited, Nick.
Oh, here we go. Peloton's coming.
Yay! Okay.
I have like 20.
Thanks so much, man. I just see it. I know. You want to throw some stickers on there? Yeah.
So guys, just kind of gather around.
Yeah.
Hello everybody who's joining us. I want to say thank you for coming out. These men started off in San Francisco just about 2 months ago. And we're nearing the end of our journey. I'm going to hear it from the end of them. But it's been quite the trip. From Golden Gate Bridge over the Sierra Nevadas, through the desert, the loneliest highway in America, into Denver,